In this tutorial, we will merge two source tables into one single fact table and then perform ETL. We will continue from our tutorial in part 3. We open the SQL Server Integration Services toolbox. We select the Merge Join object. We connect each sort object to the Merge Join object. In this drop-down list, we will select a left inner join. We click OK. We now connect the second sort object. We double-click to set the Merge Join properties. On this screen, we must specify which columns will and will not be loaded into our data warehouse fact table during the ETL process. First, we select all columns. Then, we deselect the columns that we do not want to load into our fact table. We will perform the same procedure on the second source table. Finally, sales order ID must be unique in our fact table. Therefore, we will deselect it in one of our source tables. We click OK. We return to the SQL Server Integration Services toolbox. In the toolbox, we open the Other Destinations category. We select the OLE Database Destination object. We will name this object Sales Order Fact Destination. We connect our Merge Join object to our Sales Order Fact Table destination. We double-click the database icon to connect to our data warehouse. We click this drop-down to use our connection to our data warehouse, which was defined in an earlier tutorial. From the drop-down list, we select our connection to our data warehouse. We click OK. We click this drop-down to access our available data warehouse destination tables. We select the Sales Order Fact table. Before continuing, we uncheck the options Table Lock and Check Constraints, and we check the option Keep Identity. Finally, we must map the fields from the merged source tables to the fields in the data warehouse destination table. To do this, we click on the Mappings option. If the fields map correctly, we click OK. We return to the Control Flow tab. We can now connect our two high-level ETL tasks. As shown here, when these tasks are executed, the ETL for product dimension will execute first, followed by the ETL for sales order fact. We click the Start button to execute all ETL tasks. If the ETL tasks execute successfully, a green check mark will appear in the upper right corner of each task object. We return to the Data Flow tab to see more details regarding these ETL tasks. On the Data Flow tab, we see that 32 sales header rows and 542 sales detail rows were successfully loaded into our data warehouse sales order fact table.